Hello students, now we are going to see the third unit of hydraulics and pneumatics, ME 859 for applied hydraulics and pneumatics and the ME 8694 for hydraulics and pneumatics. The hydraulics third unit is hydraulics and circuits and system for mechanical engineering, hydraulic system for mechatronics engineering. Let us start our discussion. The first thing is we must split up into two area. Okay, in this unit there are two important parts. You just take a part or segments. There are two segments. You just create a two segment. First segment is we must study the regenerative circuits diagram. All those the following things are we must design the circuits, hydraulic circuits. Okay, so that's why the heading is hydraulic circuits and systems. Okay, we must draw the regenerative circuit. We must focus on the regenerative circuit area and pump unloading circuit area, double acting pump circuit area, and pressure intensifier circuit, air over oil circuit, synchronization circuit, fail safe circuits. So uh, I am classifying these topics according to the university examination point of view. Okay, so in these types of area, so many times the university questions it will be asking so many times. Okay, that's why I just classify these are the very important topic. They definitely asking continuously in the university examination in these particular topics. This is the first segment. So next segment is the application of industrial circuits. So here there are different types of applications. So here the third unit of this particular subject is very important, because if you are focusing on this particular segment, the application are industrial circuits. Okay, so these are the industrial circuit: shock absorber, punching press, double acting cylinder, milling machine, grinding machine, drilling machine, planing machine. So here these are the circuits. It will be relevant for industrial applications point of view. If you are very well concentrate in this particular area, you don't worry about the fifth unit. So fifth unit is also relevant for this particular application. So troubleshooting and application, that is the fifth unit topic. So in that unit also we are using these types of circuits. So if you are using effort in one topic, it will be getting advantage of the two units. Okay, that's why I'm telling. So you must focus on this particular segment. It will be very helpful. So if you are understanding this application point of view circuit, we must know the split up of the first segment. Okay, the hydraulic circuit design, basic design we must know. Okay, where will be the accumulator it will be used, where will be the intensifier we are using. Okay, then only we can understand and we can apply these types of symbols and these types of components in this particular industrial oriented application. Okay, wherever the low pressure it will be required, wherever the high pressure it will be required. So those things is very important. Okay, so in my point of view, we must design the circuit neatly. Okay, so from this unit itself, third unit and fourth unit and fifth unit, all those three units we must deal with the circuits design and operations. Okay, so it will be very easy thing. Only thing we must focus on the circuit design, so then it will be very easy. Okay, so you must, according to the in a previous year question paper evaluation, I'm going to give these important topics. Definitely you must give the importance these topics. Definitely it will be asking coming the question within this topic. Definitely. Thank you. That will see in the fourth unit.